Hey everyone, welcome to my art zone, where today, we're going to create something both sweet and satisfying, a delicious ice cream cone. Soft ice cream, but don't worry, it's completely calorie-free and 100% artsy. So, grab your brushes, your pencils, and maybe a snack, because things are about to get tasty, well, visually tasty at least. Let's start with the cone, our crunchy foundation. It's like the sturdy hero that holds everything together. First, we draw a triangle, but not just any triangle, a fancy waffle cone. You know, the kind with that crispy texture, perfect for holding 3 scoops, or maybe 10, depending on how hungry you are today. Yummy face. Make those lines light and easy at first because we want to get the shape just right before committing. After all, nobody wants a crooked cone, am I right? Alright, now it's time for the ice cream scoop, and this is where the magic happens. We're going for one glorious scoop today, so start with a bumpy circle, think clouds, but edible. I'm feeling like vanilla, but you can choose any flavor you like. Go wild, mint chocolate, strawberry, or some unicorn flavor we all secretly wish was real. Unicorn. Let's keep it smooth and delicious looking. Don't be afraid to blend those edges for that soft serve vibe. Next, we move on to the shading. Here's where we add some depth, because we're all about that 3D ice cream life. Add a few shadows around the cone to give it that crispy golden texture, like it's fresh out of an art bakery. And for the ice cream scoop, a bit of shadow underneath, so it looks like it's ready to melt any second, but in a good way, not like that sad summer day meltdown. Soft ice cream loudly crying. Now, let's add some drips. Because, honestly, what's more tempting than slightly melted ice cream? We're going to make it look like it's melting, but not too fast, just enough to make you crave a bite. Draw a few wavy lines coming down from the scoop. It's the suspense in our ice cream story. Will it melt before we finish? Spoiler: it won't, because, you know, it's a painting. Cool. And what's ice cream without toppings, right? Let's sprinkle on some fun. Tiny, colorful sprinkles for that party vibe, or maybe some chocolate chips if you're feeling extra. I'm going with rainbow sprinkles because why not? It's like confetti for your ice cream. Party popper. Add a few random shapes and sizes, because no sprinkle should be perfect, and watch the fun begin. We're almost done now, but let's not forget the final touch, a cherry on top. Cherry. Yes, this is the cherry that completes the masterpiece. It's like the crown jewel of dessert, so let's make it nice and round, sitting proudly on top of the scoop like it owns the place. A little highlight for that shiny look, and boom, we have our art-worthy ice cream cone. There you have it. A drool-worthy ice cream cone that'll last forever, well, on paper at least. If you made it this far without running to the freezer, you have my respect. If not, hey, no judgment. Art and ice cream cravings go hand in hand. Open mouth smile. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to tag me in your own sweet creations. Stay creative, stay sweet, and I'll see you in the next video. Soft ice cream paint palette.